Danny here with Gardening Simplified. Just a short little video. I wanted to show you my tomato plants. I'm doing a succession planting, so I'm taking out most of my tomatoes, and I noticed something that I wanted to share with you. Now, yes, I did throw a lot of green tomatoes in the compost pile, but didn't have any takers for them, so we'd get rid of them. But what I wanted to show you, my tomato plants seem to be struggling through the season, and when I pulled them up, I want you to notice this root here, and you can notice here too. Now, what this is due to is root knot nematodes. And now you could do a spray and kill them, but if you spray and kill them, you're going to end up killing your beneficial nematodes too. So it's best not to. But anyway, that's what had caused this. What that was doing was affecting some of the plants were worse than others. That's why some seem to be still hanging in pretty good, but some didn't. But there are some organic options out there that you can put some beneficial nematodes in there in the soil. You can actually sterilize your soil, sterilize it, but that's probably not the best option if you're trying to build you a good soil, because if you sterilize it, you're going to kill a lot of the beneficial fungi and then any beneficial nematodes that's already there. So for me, that's not going to be the best option. And there is another option that you get nematode resistant plants, and also it's said that marigolds secrete a substance that causes them to kind of leave the area. So I don't know if it actually kills them or just runs them off. But anyway, that's something to realize whenever you pull your plant up and you see these roots. Now, these are in my compost, so all these can still hatch out the nematodes. But when this compost heats, because this pile runs about anywhere from 150 to 160 degrees, it'll kill all the leftover ones. So it's not a problem composting these like some would say, oh well, I'm going to burn them. If you check your compost, you check the pile, you make sure it's running nice hot compost, not just it needs to be above 140 degrees to sterilize it. So have that in mind. But I just thought I'd let you know something to look for, something you might want to deal with, because if I put tomatoes in the same type back there next year and I don't do something about this before then, chances are I'm going to increase the population of them some more. If you think this video is helpful and you like it, or even if you don't like it, go ahead and like it. That way YouTube will send it up in the feed, recommend it some. And also, if you want to see more of these, just subscribe and hit the bell button. Happy gardening.